Today guys, we have cool Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also I leave you code on my blogspot, make sure to check it. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, you will see Lifeweaver skin quest. As you can see, claim a frozen Seer Lifeweaver, promoted by Blizzard Overwatch 2 quest. Watch the Overwatch 2 trailer to win a frozen Seer Lifeweaver. All you need to do, just go here start video quest, just click on it and watch this video to end. You will see your progress here is going, just watch video to end. After watching this trailer, you will see down claim reward, click on it, verify here like me, and you will get Frozen Seer Lifeweaver, free skin in Overwatch 2. Just copy this code and read them in your game. As you can see, log into battle.net from desktop, log in on your profile account, go in right corner and you will see redeem code. Also, I leave this code on my blogspot, you will see new post here. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward, free skin in Overwatch 2. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.